Welcome to our lecture online. Even though we don't explicitly have a radical in there, it's almost the same thing. We have something raised to the 1/3 power, which means that this could be written as the cube root of 2x plus 8 plus 3 equal to 0. Now it doesn't matter if you first write it as a cube root, like that with a radical, or if you leave it in its original form. Let's work it out in its original form to see how we will do that. So let's go ahead and move this back over here. So we write as 2x plus 8 to the 1/3 power plus 3 is equal to 0. Now first we're going to move the 3 to the other side. That means on the left side we have 2x plus 8 to the 1/3 power is equal to -3. Now we do the same as before. We're going to raise both sides to the 3rd power. So we're going to cube the left side and we're going to cube the right side. So when we multiply an exponent, or when we raise an exponent to an exponent, it's the same as multiplying, which means 1/3 times 3 is 1. We simply turn this into a 2x plus 8. On the right side, -3 cubed is minus 27. And now we end up with a linear equation. So that means we have to solve that for x. Let's move the 8 to the other side. We have 2x is equal to minus 27 minus 8, or 2x is equal to minus 35, or if we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equal to minus 35 divided by 2. I'm running kind of out of room there. So again, just as before, that may or may not be the solution. We need to validate it by plugging it back into the original problem. So we're going to check to see if x is indeed equal to minus 35 divided by 2. So what we're doing is we're going to replace every x by -35 over 2. So here we get 2 times -35 divided by 2 plus 8 raised to the 1/3 power. Is that equal to question mark? Oh, actually, I should use the original equation. So let's add the plus 3 on the left side. Plus 3, is that equal to 0? So because I like to use the very original problem to check it out with. All right, the 2's cancel out. So here we have minus 35 plus 8 to the 1/3 power plus 3. Is that indeed equal to 0? So here minus 35 plus 8 is a minus 27 raised to the 1/3 power plus 3 is equal to 0, question mark. And what's the cube root? Because essentially, raising to the 1/3 power is the same as taking the cube root. The cube root of minus 27 is minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3, is that equal to 0? And sure enough, 0 equals 0. So since that is true, that means that this must be a valid answer for our original problem. So you can see it doesn't matter if you leave it like this, with fractional exponents, or if you convert it to a radical, you would approach it exactly the same way. And that is how it's done.